Hi children, today we will continue the first unit, plants are useful. In the last class we have learned the food is stored in different parts of the plant's body and how useful plants in our daily life. Now we are going to continue the class, okay? See here children. One activity is there, page number 128. Open your book, page number 128. See here, they have given some pictures. These are pictures with their names. These are their names. We will join the pictures with their names. We will join the pictures with their names. Okay. You also copy it. Match the following. Okay. First one picture. First one, what is this? Sugar. Sugar. Sugar, it has made from sugar cane. It has made from sugar cane. Where it is? Sugar cane. Yes. These are the food particles. Sugar, chapati, coffee, chocolate, coffee. These are the food particles. Next, chapati. It has made from what? Yes, it has made from wheat flour. Wheat. Next, you also join your books. Next, coffee. Coffee, it has made from coffee beans. Okay. Next, chocolate. It has made from cocoa beans. Next, tea leaves. Tea. Tea, it has made from tea leaves. Okay. Next, we use herbs and spices to add flavor to our food. For example, herbs means coriander, spices means cardamom, pepper, asafoetida, cumin seeds. Asafoetida means hing. Cumin seeds means jeera. Cinnamon and fennel are some spices you will find in every kitchen. We all are used in our daily life these spices and herbs. Okay. A spice could be a dried seeds, root, bark or fruit of plants. Their spices could be a dried seeds, root, bark, for example, root, bark or fruits of plants. Okay, next, see here, name 3 spices other than those mentioned above the mummy has in her kitchen. Okay, you write 3 spices on the line that mummy has in her what mummy use in her kitchen. Okay, first one I write mustard. I will write for you. You also write in your book mustard. Next, second, turmeric. We all are use turmeric, mustard, clove in our kitchen. Okay. Next, children, do we also get salt from plants? Do we also get salt from plants? No. We get salt. We get salt from sea. Okay. Next, we get oil from certain plants. Oil is used for cooking. We all are also used oil in our daily life in kitchen. Apart from cooking, oil is also used for oil is also used for where we will use oil? Yes, body massage. We use body massage to oil massage and for applying on hair. On hair. We all are applying our hair. Okay. Next, do we use wood to construct our homes? Yes, we use wood to construct our homes. Where does this wood come from? Wood comes from trees. Did you know that pencil you are writing with is made of wood? It made of wood. Yes or no? Yes, it is made of wood. Wood usually comes from the branches or trunk of a plant. Okay, bigger plants like trees give more and stronger wood. Okay, see around your classroom. See around your classroom. List 3 things other than pencils that are made of wood. Okay, I will list for you. First one, desk. Desk. Second one, table. Third one, door. These are made of wood. Desk, table, door. Okay. Apart from the food and wood, we also get many products like rubber, gum, medicines and various fibers from plants. Okay. This is how sap is collected from the rubber trees. This is rubber collected from the trees. Rubber is used for making tires, pipes and tubes. Next, cotton and jute are 2 types of plants fibers. There are 2 types of plants fibers is there. First one cotton and jute. Second one jute. In which season is cotton harvested? In which season is cotton harvested? Before or during winter, cotton is harvested. Okay. Is silk also obtained from plants? No. Is silk also obtained from plants? No. Okay, next. Name 2 things other than the cloths you wear that are made using cotton. Okay. First one, pillow. Pillow that are made using cotton. Next, bed sheet. These are made using cotton. Next, neem, tulsi, turmeric and eucalyptus are used for making medicines. These are used for medicines. Neem tree, turmeric, these are used for making medicines. Next, oils and juices of some plants like the aloe vera. Aloe vera are used for making perfume, soap, shampoo and toothpaste. Okay. Not just this, even the paper you are writing on and the eraser you are using are the products of plants. Do you know? Yes. Pencils, erasers, papers, these are the products of plants. Is it good to waste paper? Give reason for your answer. No, it is not good to waste paper as it means unnecessary cutting down of trees that support life on the earth. Okay, so are plants important only for Kunal or are they important for all of us too? Yes, plants are not just useful to us, they are useful to the animals and birds too. Okay, one activity is there, match the following. They have given some pictures and their names. Join the pictures with their names. It is for your homework. Do your home. Okay, next. Have you ever thought that even the fresh air means oxygen you breathe is given out by plants? Yes, that is the air in gardens and parks. Gardens and parks. Parks is so fresh. That is why the air in gardens and parks is so fresh. Okay. Next, every plant is very important to us and the entire universe. Okay, see here, children, study the picture carefully, discuss how all plants, animals and people are depend on each other. Okay, yes children, yes, all plants, animals and people are depend on each other because they have depend on their food, shelter and to all activities. For example, frog eats insects, snake eats frogs, eagle eats snake and lion and tiger eats other animals. Next, and we all are depend upon plants and meats because we are omnivorous. Okay. Next, stags. Stags means male deer. Male deer rub their antlers against the bark of trees to remove the velvet from them. This is stags. Stags means male deer. These are antlers. They also do this to attract the female deer. This is stags. This is male deer. Rub their antlers against the bark of trees to remove the velvet from them. They also do this to attract the female deer. Okay. Next, woodpeckers. Woodpeckers feed on insects on grass from trees. This is woodpecker bird. This is tree. Woodpecker feed on insects on grass from trees, thereby keeping the trees healthy and free from insects attack. Okay, next, grasshoppers. Grasshoppers and crickets hide from their predators. This is grasshoppers. This hide from their predators by taking cover in green and dry. This is dry leaves. These are dry leaves. These are green leaves. Green and dry leaves respectively. Okay. Finally, children, what we learnt in this chapter? Yes, we learnt plants give us the food we eat. The food is stored in different parts of the plant's body. Plants also give us things like wood, paper, rubber, gum, fibers and oils. Plants are important for animals and birds too. Plants release oxygen and keep the air we breathe fresh. Okay, children. See here, one activity is there. Circle the things which we get directly or indirectly from plants. This is for your homework. Do this one in your home. Okay. Okay, children. We will continue next class. Bye.